Do you wish you had a garden bursting with color without the long wait and fuss of annuals? Well, you're in the right place here at Wildwood Outdoor Living. We know you want your garden to make an impact that lasts. And that's why today we're revealing the secret, the 10 fast-growing perennials that will not only give you spectacular color, but they'll come back year after year. Get ready for a vibrant garden with minimal effort. Let's kick things off with the queen of resilience and color, the echinacea or coneflower. What makes them fantastic for any garden is their incredible growth rate. Once you plant them, you'll see how quickly they establish and bloom profusely from summer right into fall, extending your color when many other flowers are fading. And the best part, they're a natural magnet for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, bringing life and movement to your garden. They thrive in full sun, are surprisingly drought tolerant once established, and can handle a wide range of soil conditions. They're an absolute must-have for any vibrant garden. Our second pick is the gaillardia, also known as blanket flower. This perennial is an explosion of joy in any space due to their fast growth rate and vibrant colors. Its daisy-like flowers with their striking warm colors will give you non-stop blooms from early summer right until the first fall frost. This means an exceptionally long blooming season with very little effort from you. Gaillardia is incredibly drought tolerant once established and absolutely loves full sun, making it perfect for sunny spots and those looking for minimal upkeep. Plus, just like echinacea, it's a champion at attracting pollinators, contributing to the health of your local ecosystem. It's a fantastic choice for rock gardens, borders, or even containers, and it adds that rustic touch. Third on our list is the incredibly versatile salvias. There's a salvia for almost every taste and condition, and many of the varieties are amazingly fast growing, quickly filling empty spaces in your garden. What makes them long blooming perennials is their ability to offer bursts of vibrant color from spring right through fall, and some varieties blooming almost continuously. Their flower spikes are super attractive to hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, making them essential for a wildlife-friendly garden. Plus, many of the salvias are drought-tolerant once established and can handle the summer heat, making them the perfect low-maintenance option for your garden. Our fourth choice is the always cheerful coreopsis, often called tick seed. This perennial is easy to grow, fast to establish, and perfect for quickly filling garden spaces with a burst of color. Coreopsis is one of those plants that just keeps going. It blooms non-stop throughout the summer, adding a constant sunny touch to any garden design. They are ideal for borders, rock gardens, or as part of a meadow garden, attracting butterflies with their bright flowers. They are quite drought tolerant once well established and require very little care beyond the well-draining soil and full sun. If you're looking for a reliable perennial that gives you uninterrupted, cheerful color with minimal attention, Coreopsis is a fantastic option. At Wildwood Outdoor Living, we'll help you choose the ideal variety for your sunny spot. Find your favorite perennial here or online at wildwood.express. And for that iconic sunny glow that lasts to last, we introduce the Rudbeckia, otherwise known as the Black-Eyed Susan. This perennial is a garden superstar, growing quickly to form dense clumps of bright golden yellow, daisy-like flowers with a striking dark brown center. It blooms prolifically from midsummer well into fall, extending your garden's vibrant display. Rudbeckia is incredibly hardy, tolerates a wide range of soils, and once established, is very drought tolerant. It is an absolute magnet for bees and butterflies, making it perfect for pollinator gardens and bringing that cheerful, rustic look to any garden. Moving on to number 6 is the incredible daylily. These are super fast growing and unbelievably tough. They provide stunning trumpet-shaped blooms in almost every color imaginable, offering a beautiful flush of flowers from early summer into midsummer with some reblooming varieties. Daylilies are adaptable to various conditions, thrive in sun or part shade, and require very little care once established, quickly filling garden beds with lush foliage. If you're loving these quick growing perennials, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. For those shady spots that need the quick coverage and gorgeous foliage, look no further than the hosta. While known more for their incredible leaves than their flowers, hostas are incredibly fast to expand, creating lush, weed-suppressing mounds of green, blue, and variegated foliage. They send up lovely flower spikes in the summer that attract hummingbirds. Hostas are incredibly low maintenance and thrive in shade and moist environments, quickly transforming dull areas of the garden into lush, beautiful spaces. And at number 8, we have the wonderfully versatile Nepeta, also known as cat mint. This fast-growing perennial forms soft mounds of fragrant, silvery green foliage, topped with abundant spikes of beautiful lavender blue flowers. Nepeta blooms almost continuously from late spring through the fall, attracting a multitude of bees and butterflies. It is incredibly drought tolerant, thrives in full sun, and is extremely low maintenance, making it a fantastic choice for borders, rock gardens, or even mass plantings. And our number 9 spot is the classic cheerful Shasta daisy. These fast-growing perennials provide an abundance of iconic white daisy-like flowers with yellow centers from early summer all the way through the fall, especially with some deadheading. They're incredibly reliable, adding a fresh, bright look to any border or cutting garden. Shasta daisies thrive in full sun and well-drained soil and are relatively low maintenance, providing a continuous display of bright blooms. And finally, at number 10, we have the tough and beautiful yarrow. This perennial is a rapid grower, forming large, flat-topped clusters of tiny flowers in shades of yellow, pink, red, and white. Yarrow blooms from early summer into fall and is one of the most drought-tolerant plants once established, making it perfect for sunny, dry spots. Feathery foliage adds texture, and its long-lasting blooms are fantastic for attracting beneficial insects and making great cut flowers. Getting your new fast-growing perennials off to the best start is key for continuous color. When planting, ensure you provide the right amount of space for their mature size. Even though they're fast growers, they'll still need room to breathe and flourish. Soil preparation is vital. Amend your garden beds with good quality compost to ensure proper drainage and nutrient richness. For watering requirements, especially during their establishment period, the first year, water regularly and deeply to encourage strong root growth. Once established, many of these are quite drought tolerant, reducing your workload. For ongoing care, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can give them a boost. By following these simple tips, you'll maximize their blooming period and maximize the vibrant color throughout the growing season. For a deeper dive into growing a thriving garden, browse our videos for more tips and tricks on how you can achieve the same results. So there you have it, the 10 fast-growing perennials that deliver continuous color with minimal effort. Each offers unique features, quick growth, and long-lasting blooms, transforming your garden into a hassle-free haven of color. We encourage you to start planting these beautiful perennials so you can also enjoy a vibrant display of colors with low maintenance. What are your fast-growing perennials that you use in your garden? Drop us a tip and tricks or some suggestions of what you might add for our next video.